Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan Terrero, and today I'm going to be going over some calculus problems that I missed on my exam, and we're going to be going over them and solving them the right way this time. So for our fourth and final problem of today, we're going to be evaluating this limit. Limit h is approaching 0 for f(x plus h) minus f of x over h for the function f of x equals x to the 1/3. Okay, so as per usual with these limits, the first thing that you want to check for is if you could plug everything in, which would give you plug everything in. So here you have 0. You just want to plug in 0 for h every time you see it, and that would give you f of x plus 0 minus f of x over 0. This is just going to give you 0 over 0, which means that it's indeterminate. And the next thing you'd want to do is plug in x to the 1/3 for every time you see x, because it's given for us here. So if you did that, you would just have x to the 1/3 minus x to the 1/3 over 0, which would give you 0 over 0. So another way that we could solve this would be to use L'Hopital's rule, which is a little bit more higher order, or as Dr. Jafar would say, it's higher order critical thinking. And it's probably probably don't need it to solve this one, but this is one way that I found to solve it. So you would have limit h is approaching 0, derivative d over h, x plus h to the 1/3 minus d over dh, x to the 1/3 over d dh parentheses h. Assuming here that h would be 1, we could write as such: limit h is approaching 0. You have 1/3 x plus h negative 2/3 minus 1/3 x negative 2/3 over 1. This would give us 1/3 1 over x plus h to the 2/3 minus 1 over x to the 2/3. All of that just to say, give us 1/3 times 0, which is 0, which means that this entire function is undefined. No matter which way you'd solve it.